Hello everyone, you are welcome to how to solve this very nice radical equation. 9 to the power square root of x is equal to square root of 27 to the power x. Our job is to find all possible values of x. So let's start. This 9 can be written as 3 squared whole to the power this power square root of x is equal to square root of this 27 can be written as 3 to the power 3 whole to the power this power x. Now by using this power rule, a to the power m whole to the power n is equal to a to the power m times n. We multiply this power 2 by this power root x. We multiply this power 3 by this power x. So this will become 3 to the power 2 times root x is equal to square root of this will become 3 to the power 3 times x. Next 3 to the power 2 times root x is equal to, by using this property, nth root of a is equal to a to the power 1 over n. This square root of 3 to the power 3 times x will become 3 to the power 3 times x whole to the power 1 over 2. Next 3 to the power 2 times root x. By using this property, we multiply this 3 times x by this 1 over 2. So this will become 3 to the power 3x over 2. Now we have same base at both sides, so we can write this exponent 2 times root x equal to this exponent 3x over 2. So this will become 2 times root x is equal to 3x over 2, and from here we multiply both sides by 2. So this 2 times 2 root x will become 4 root x is equal to, this 2 will be cancelled out with this 2, and at right hand side we are left with 3 times x. Now from here we take square of both sides. So this will become 4 squared times root x squared is equal to, this 3x squared will become 9x squared. Now this 4 squared is 16, and this square will be cancelled out with the square root, and here we are left with x is equal to 9x squared. Now we move this 16x to the right hand side, so this will become 9x squared minus 16x is equal to 0, and we factor out x. This will become x times 9x minus 16 is equal to 0. From here either this expression x is equal to 0 or this 9 times x minus 16 is equal to 0. We move this negative 16 to the right hand side, then this will become 9 times x is equal to 16, and if we divide both sides by 9, then this 9 will be cancelled out with this 9, and we get the value of x is equal to 16 over 9, and from here we get the value of x 0. So we have two values of x, 0 and 16 over 9. Now let's verify these values and see that whether they are solutions or not. The original equation is 9 to the power root x is equal to square root of 27 to the power x. So when x is equal to 0, then this equation will become 9 to the power root 0 is it equal to square root of 27 to the power 0. Next 9 to the power square root of 0 is 0. Is it equal to 27 to the power 0 is 1, and this is under square root. Now this 9 to the power 0 is 1 is equal to square root of 1 is 1. You can see that left hand side is equal to the right hand side. It means that this value of x 0 is a valid solution. Now when x is equal to 16 over 9, then this equation will become 9 to the power square root of 16 over 9 is it equal to square root of 27 to the power 16 over 9. Next, 9 to the power square root of 16 is 4 and square root of 9 is 3. Is it equal to square root of this 27 can be written as 3 cubed whole to the power this power 16 over 9. Now this 9 can be written as 3 squared whole to the power 4 over 3. Is it equal to, by using this property, a to the power m whole to the power n is equal to a to the power m times e. We multiply this power 3 by this power 16 over 9, so this will become 3 to the power 3 times 16 48 divided by 9. This is under square root. Now by using this property we multiply this 2 by this 4 over 3, so this will become 3 to the power 2 times 4 8 divided by 3. Is it equal to, this square root of 3 to the power 48 over 9 will become 3 to the power 48 over 9 whole to the power 1 over 2. Next, 3 to the power 8 over 3 is it equal to, by using this property we multiply this 48 over 9 by this 1 over 2, this will become 3 to the power 48 over 9 times 2 18. Next, 3 to the power 8 over 3 is it equal to 3 to the power, this can be simplified as 6 3 times and 6 8 times 48, so this will become 8 over 3. You can see that the left hand side is equal to the right hand side. It means this value of x is 16 over 9 is a valid solution.